Hey guys, so this weekend we are going to try to get the exterior walls ready for spray foam. So hopefully, I'd say in the next 2 weeks, we'll be able to have the foam put in. And so something that I have to do is tape in all of this around the roof. This blocking here. On some of these you can see daylight through them, so I'm going to use zip tape and tape around all this. I have a lot of feet to tape, but what that's going to do is that's going to hold in the spray foam. So the spray foam's not going to get through the cracks and go outside, or we'll have to shave it off before we put on our metal siding. So over this last week we've had like 2 or 3 inches of rain, I think. Our pond was pretty low. It was about 1.5 to 2 feet lower than it normally is. And so this rain that we got filled it all the way back up, and now we have our overflow pouring out again, which is nice. It's very relaxing out here when the water's flowing. It's a pretty nice place to live, I'm gonna be honest. I feel really blessed to be here. It's beautiful, it's relaxing, it's a little bit wild, which I also love, but our neighbors, their cows, got through the fence and have been hanging out over here and leaving nice gifts for me to step in. It's great. Remember that guy told us that those cows are mean? What if they're out here? And these woods here are gonna get us. Oh, there's a trail. I bet they're in there. I mean, the last thing we want to do is piss off a mad mama.
I know how that is.
Yeah, you do. See?
Don't step in that.
You're making me uncomfortable.
You're
Okay.
making me uncomfortable. I'm a man of few words. Tractor didn't break, I would have mowed all of this right here. Probably not.
So we're putting up temporary lights until we can find the lights that we want for our dining room and living room and bathroom. So we're just doing these bulbs until we can figure it out. We don't want to buy something and end up with something that we don't really like, so we are going to just over time accumulate the lights that we want, so when we see one we'll buy it. So hopefully we won't have these ugly light bulbs for too long, but we shall see. So the gray pipe is going to house the water line, and we're doing that because we're going to spray foam under the floor. So we're going to put the pipe in, put the water line through the pipe, and then spray foam around it. That way if we have any problems in the future with our water line, we can just slide it out with no problems. I'm gonna get high over here. It's like blowing right in my face. Whew.
I'm not scratching the window with mine. Okay. Yeah, I don't even know if it needs it. Pump fluid through it to clean the sediment so it doesn't eat up the copper.
Are you not putting the white stuff on that?
Nope.
Why not?
Has a seal. So I went by the $200 manifold because it's stupid. These are just as good, but with copper, all the water well minerals will eat away and corrode the inside of this. So I have to install this
Where you can get to it
to
easily.
where I can get to it and replace it. Or I could go with a plastic manifold and hope it doesn't leak. I don't trust plastic.
Exactly.